Hello class and welcome to week 14 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, you will be completing the great discussion pre-writing. That is based on what you've been doing in English 101 for your annotated bibliography. So here it is. In English 101, you completed an annotated bibliography that reflects a popular artist in a genre you enjoy, such as music, film, literature, and so on. Connect the content from the sources in your annotated bibliography to the questions from the great assignment prompt. So here's some questions. What has your artist contributed? Why is this contribution valuable? Apply Klosterman's concepts to your analysis and argue in favor of the enduring importance of this person's work. Why will people of the future remember this individual as the representative of an entire genre of creativity? Explain why the artist of your choosing is the quote-unquote John Philip Sousa of his or her genre. When you're finished doing that, make sure that you are organizing your post in 2 to 3 paragraphs by topic. Please include a quote or paraphrase the examples from the sources that you annotated in your annotated bibliography. Include a works cited page as well. And please do not forget to respond to at least 2 others' peers by building on something that they have already said. Explain why you see things a little differently. Ask a probing question or ask for evidence. Once you're finished with that, you'll be working on the next assignment that's due right after that, the day after that. And this is the Module 4, Reading and Writing Reflection. You may have to hit the page 2, go to page 2 to find it because the window only holds a certain amount of posts. So if you don't see it on the first page, you go to page 2 or you can hit View All. So your Module 4, Reading and Writing Reflection, is very similar to what you've been doing. Reflect on what you've learned, what you used to think, what you now think, what you see, what you think, what you wonder, how you connect, extend, and challenge what you've been learning in English 101. And then at the end of it, of course, I'd like you to respond to 2 other peers. But don't forget to quote or refer to the readings that you've been doing. Don't forget in-text citation in MLA and a works cited page at the end of your post. And near the end of the week, I'd like you to work on your great discussion, your introduction. You're going to be writing your introduction to your cultural icons essay. So what I want you to think about is to compose an introduction that includes the following. 1, capture the reader's attention with a quote, a story, an interesting fact, question, or something else that's interesting, a startling statistic even. We call this a hook, the first sentence to grab the reader's attention of your introduction. Then introduce your author, give some background about your author, not too much in the introduction, just a little bit, and then present your argument, which will be, of course, your thesis. Why do you think this person will be remembered for 300 years or more? And of course, your thesis statement. And do not introduce your thesis by saying, I will write about, my essay will be about, you will see. That'll be very poor. So don't do that. Just begin with your point about your person. And don't forget to respond to at least 2 other posts. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Thank you.